Hello everyone, today I share with you how my husband built a bar and a glass storage area. Welcome to From Home to Garden. I am Saigoncook. On this channel I share with you everything I know, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So the unit has two parts, the lower parts and the upper parts. The lower one have 3 shelves and the upper one have 4 shelves. And the lower one will be deeper than the upper one. So for the frame, he used 2x2 wood and used the crack jack to connect them. So he already did on the crack jack wood through it so that it's ready to go. And then he painted white because we decided the whole unit will be white. Because the opposite of it is a China display cabinet, and he made it in white. So this is white so that the same cohesive. So after he painted on the wood for the frame, he installed inside this one. When we purchased the house, this one is empty and they didn't do anything with it, so I cannot pass it up. Need to use it for some meaning. So this is my design. We will do the bar area on one big shelf on the eye hand level, and the top for storing glasses. And you will see I have so many glasses and crystal, so it will be the good place to display them. And for the shelves we use plywood, and this is like a oak plywood, but we paint them anyway. Here they are. He painted white and ready to assemble. So to make the glass holders, he will build the glass. He will build by using the wood and attach the small piece of wood on top of it, and then he will attach to the shell so that the glasses can slide in easily. You will see. You can see he already dry fit the small piece on top, and he attached them. Now the frame already done. He placed the shell on top of the frame. So this is like free shells, floating shells. Don't need to attach to anything because they are sitting on top of the frame. Now he will attach the glass holders to the shell. It's and then he will flip upside down.
And that's going to be where we're going to glue it.
He's very careful to make it center.
So that's that.
And this tool is very helpful. It makes it square and straight. The reason that we did the upper part shallower than the lower part because we want to access to the top of a dam, because this just like a very good house. The high ceiling, it makes a lot of space here. You can see when I show you the video, the image there, it has more space on top of it. Okay, now the raw parts construction was done. Now he will do the trim. You can see the thing that when you use plywood, it will show the raw edge, and that doesn't look nice. So he used the trim, and he has the router. So he made the trims depends on the design, the pattern that we like, and he made them. So we made a trim very simple by using the bit, the router bit that has a few lines on it. First he bent it, and that's done. Here I put the glass in. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.